Alright. Hey, what's going on, guys? TSD Banana here. Trying to record
racing. Racing gamer.
Yeah, so, can't tell? Nerf war. Again. What we're going to be doing is like I just said, we're just going to be doing a Nerf war. And not a thing, you know. We tried doing this earlier, and the recording messed up. Someone had messed it up, so, yeah. We're going to redo this. So.
No one messed it up. Your phone ran out of space.
Well, yeah, your phone ran out of space.
And
I'm going to do my loadout, and then
me and Banana's friend.
Can you please keep it straight?
Well, we're not going to reveal his name for the
Hold
public.
it.
I don't think she'll be happy about that. How many bullets do you have? I thought you had 4 on it.
Yeah.
so,
His little sister messed up the recording. So,
well, let's get, okay. Let's get right on to the loadout. Alright, so, first off, I got, as a secondary, I have a little mini pistol. Whatever this is, I don't know what it is. But yeah. This little thing. It holds 1 bullet. 1 bullet I only have. This is a shotgun with a, I think, what, a 10 bullet mag? Yeah, 10 bullet mag with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bullets in it. Just like that.
and a little scope on it that came from one of these guns.
Which, now this is Racing's loadout. I've got to grab my little baby pistol.
I've got the
Oh, I can't see you very well on this.
Vortex Nitron.
You gotta stand around this.
The Nerf Vortex Nitron. This big, huge green machine gun with a 20 bullet mag with 1, 2, 3, 5 bullets in it. Because we don't put that in my head. Because we tried earlier when the
Don't
phone
put that
ran
in my
out of
head.
space and
So
the bullets from that time. And my secondary will be a Nerf Elite Strong Arm with 3 bullets. Guys, don't ask in the comments if this zebra print comes stock. It's just what Banana put on it at his house to make it look cool.
This is weird.
So yeah, that's our loadout.
Oh, shit.
Try to shoot me. Oh, no, you didn't. Don't do anything to the recording. Did you pause it?
I'm trying to. They're in the way.
What's
It's
that?
about press the pause.
There we go.
Alright! We're gonna start this war. Racing, go over there. Yeah. You guys will see me set up. You will not see Racing set up ever. But, you know. Ready, war starts in 3, 2, 1, go! I don't know if you guys can see me right now. I don't know. Hey, Racing, you out here? Yeah, I'm here. Alright, well, I said it started, so come at me, bro. I see him! I see him! Whoa, you're supposed to act like
I see you done, dude.
baby toy for my little baby. And my baby is on the what kind?
Oh, I knocked your gun out of the tree!
But not the spider web. Is your baby like us? No. Your baby. Is your baby like she likes them a little bit. That.
Yeah, nice, bro. Go and steal it again.
Still recording.
But dude, one more shot and I kill you. All right. We have one life.
And you're the baby. You're the baby. Remember? I remember she doesn't like this. I'm sorry. She doesn't like this.
Let's shoot stuff. Hold on. It's not fair. Hold on.
I'm sorry.
I can see you a bit.
Stuck. My show's stuck.
It's not stuck.
Is this how we're recording?
Yeah.
All right. Good. Freaking shoot. Hold on. Gotta get back in here.
This inside she hates this. This. Does she like balls? Balls? Balls. No.
Okay. Anyways, time back
She
in.
likes ball. A different kind of ball. Like they're red.
Ah!
All red. My ball is all red.
Here.
Has no spider web. It has to get dirty. You can ask about it. It's Megan. Huh?
You know what? I'm done with this freaking Nerf war.
You're the baby, remember? I said, you're the baby. Goodbye. No, you're the baby. No, that's it.
Flag jacket.
You want it?
Okay. Well, guys, I had one shot to be able to kill him.
Oh,
Warren.
you
Well,
didn't
yeah.
for it.
I already killed myself.
Whatever. I won the Nerf war.
Hello.
If that was kind of like a mini fail slash, it wasn't even a skit. It was
This has
100%
she like
on accident. So.
yeah.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little double upload thing that I did. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace. Wait. Hold on. Would you like anything to say? Go check out Nerf.
Well, yeah, go to the Nerf website. They have a crap ton of Nerf guns. They're coming out with new ones called Nerf Rivals.
I didn't know that.
They're really cool. They shoot little yellow practice paintball things. It's really cool. Go check that out.
Well, yeah,
No, we're
he
not
did the
sponsored
outro.
by Nerf or anything.
Yeah, we're
so
not sponsored by Nerf or anything. I only have
We're
2
just
subscribers.
doing a random little Nerf war thing.
Yeah.
So yeah.
If you want a series out of this, like and subscribe. If you want me to do like maybe a series or multiple episodes, different places that such as inside of Racing's house, that'll be harder to do. My house, Donut's house, possibly, I don't know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and let's say peace.
Peace.